Hello friends, and I welcome you to in my official YouTube channel, Infamous Celebrities Net Worth and Lifestyle. Our today's topic is about Johnny Depp Net Worth 2024. So first of all, you should know who is Johnny Depp. So John Christopher Depp is an American actor, musician, philanthropist, and producer. He is the receptionist of multiple accolades, including a Golden Globe Award as well as nominations for 3 Academy Awards and 2 BAFTA Awards. Johnny Depp is 61 years old, and now we will discuss about his biography. So Johnny Depp was born on June 9th, 1963 in Owensboro, Kentucky, the youngest of 4 children of waitress Betty Sue Depp and civil engineer John Christopher Depp. Depp's family moved frequently during his childhood, eventually settling in Miramar, Florida. In 1970, Depp's mother gave him a guitar when he was 12 and he began playing in various bands. He dropped out Miramar High School at 16 in 1979 to become a rock musician. And now we will discuss about Johnny Depp career. So Depp moved to Los Angeles with his band when he was 20. After the band split up, Depp's then wife Lori Ann Allison introduced him to actor Nicolas Cage. Cage advised him to pursue acting. His first movie was Nightmare on Elm Street in 1984, which was a success. Afterward, he decided to go to an acting school in Los Angeles. He got a small part in the movie Platoon, and shortly after this, he was offered a part of the television series 21 Jump Street. He plays Jack Sparrow in the Pirate of the Caribbean film series and Willy Wonka in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And now we will discuss about Johnny Depp's personal life. So in December 1983, Depp married makeup artist Lori Ann Allison. Depp and Allison divorced in 1985. Depp began a relationship with French actress and singer Vanessa Paradis. They have 2 children, daughter Lily Rose Melody Depp and a son Jack. In June 2012, Depp and Paradis announced their separation. Depp began dating actress Amber Heard, with whom he had co-starred in The Rum Diary 2011. Depp and Heard were married in a civil ceremony on February 3, 2015. Depp and Heard divorced in 2017. Depp owns a property in West Hollywood. Johnny Depp owns luxury cars which include Porsche, Rolls-Royce, Range Rover, Ferrari, Chevrolet, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Lamborghini. Apart from these expensive cars, Johnny is also the owner of luxury yachts and private jet. And now finally we will discuss about Johnny Depp's net worth 2024. So according to the online sources, Johnny Depp's net worth is estimated to be $150 million. So my dear friends, it's all about today's video and I hope you enjoyed the video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.